Somebody said to me, there is something that I heard from this preacher, but I don't want to even mention the name of the preacher. I said, why? He said, because this man,
He says vulgar words only.
so he got something so little from him, but in trying to testify that I got it from this, he gets attacks. He's saying, I wish this man would only focus on this little thing. The rest of what he says, it's vulgar. All that is not coming from, there is no special calling for that. There is no anointing, whether in the Bible or outside. There is no special oil that God puts on a man so that he knows how to insult people. No. All you need is a wrong family, a wrong soil, wrong ground. That can give you that. All of us, all those things that he's mentioning from the pulpit with their proper name.